I'm going to show you how to make an iPhone ringtone custom made from your songs. So what you want to do is right click this and you're going to go to get info. Okay, so I got the info. Alright, where you're gonna go is you're gonna do options, and this is start time. You have to make it short enough for the ringtone. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna do 24. Okay, then you go press click OK. Alright, so once you've done that, you're gonna make it create AAC version. Okay, so this is over here converting. Alright, you're finished. Okay. So I have to find this song now, so go to my music. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay. So what are you gonna do now? Okay. You'll get show in Windows Explorer or something else that you have. Alright. Okay, here it is. You're gonna change this into an R. Okay. You do that. Okay, it is that. Alright. I'm gonna grab my song and I'm gonna take it to my iTunes. Alright, once it did that, you go to ringtones, and there it is. Now you're gonna hear it. Let's see. Alright, there you have it. I have more, but it's pretty simple. It's really not that hard. Once you do that, you're gonna select you're gonna go to your iPhone. It's gonna pop up right there. Once you do that, you're gonna go through the settings on it, and you're gonna go to ringtones, and you will find these right here. Alright, it's pretty simple. It's really not that hard. That's all you have to do. Okay, so that's it.